welcome to the Freestyle Motocross Superstars of USFFX. Monster Jam fans, make some noise for these superstars! The louder you get, the higher they will jump, so when they fly through the air, I need you to get loud!
Coming down the ramp now, we have Frank Swall from Richland, Pennsylvania. Up next, it's Seth Eaton from Boston, Massachusetts. Now we have DJ Tiffany from Orlando, Florida. And next is Kenny Haskell from Boston, Massachusetts.
Kenny in 15 years be like? Bro,
Albany, if you want to see some big air, I gotta hear you make some noise. If you're ready for another big jump, get loud.
do a flip!
These riders are giving us those wow moments. Another big air stunt.
Megalodon guys, yeah.
We have one rule for USFMX. The louder you cheer, the higher they go. Now it's time for the best trick competition. All four of our riders are going to hit the ramp and soar through the air, showing us their very best stunt. When they land, it's your time to pull out your phone, scan the QR code, and make your way to judgeszone.com. Enter the code ALB and use the BKT tire to submit your score. Now who's ready for the best trick competition?